And the next thing that is very important is you have to do it professionally. And of course, it starts from you, right? It starts from us creating one idea in our home. I start all of my business on the dining table. It's just like I remember I start Spa on my dining table in my apartment, and then again I start intelligibility on my dining table, and everything starts from here. But after that, we have to make it professionally because you remember that you're gonna spend so much energy. Either you do it small or you do it big. I think that we spend at almost the same amount of energy. So if I recommend that you have to do the size of the business that is good size, that is worth of our own energy and life and anything that other people can come and help. If we can create very outer small business, and then of course it's going to take longer time, and then it's no room of other people can come and help. They can do it in the beginning, but after that they have to plan. Now we have to see from the start to where we want to go, where we want to finish. I always work from the goal backward.